Thus, the habit of drinking tea spread to Japan, Europe, and England, where it became a fashionable and popular drink among the people. How did this magical beverage get its name? The Chinese character Yu was first used in early inscriptions to describe tea, but later a new character cha was developed to refer specifically to tea. The word cha is now sometimes used in English to refer to China tea, and as we all know, it is very close to the Hindi word chai, which is used all over India to refer to tea. How did tea first come to India? Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medicinal plant since ancient times. But tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British began to establish plantations in the 19th century. In the 1770, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam with seeds from China. Although these attempts failed, the botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the upper Brahmaputra valley. In May 1838, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. Since then, India has gone on to become one of the leading producers of tea in the world. Tea lovers claim that tea may be able to reduce the risk of cancer, control blood pressure, fight viruses in our body, and actually help us to live longer. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. They can damage our body and our health. Tea contains antioxidants called flavonoids. Scientists believe these help to protect our system against free radicals. For many people, tea is a popular drink to have with friends. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. Japan, China, Russia, and Korea have special tea ceremonies and traditions. These ceremonies give people the time to relax and enjoy the taste and the smell of the tea. Most people in Japan belong to a tea club where they go every week to take part in the tea ceremony. Ordinary people also feel that tea ceremonies are spiritual occasions that are closely associated with their religion. Tea, they say, is a healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink full of good qualities. It reduces loneliness and calms your heart. It is a comfort in everyday life. Many Koreans today still have tea ceremonies for important occasions, including special birthdays and anniversaries. In most areas of China, the tea is made in small clay teapots. At tea ceremonies, cups are only half filled. The Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. In Russia, tea is made and served in samovars a special Russian tea kettle made of metal. Which name produces special varieties of tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea? In Japan, tea is made using powdered green tea called matcha. The tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk and served in small bowls. And how about India? A cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor as a token of hospitality, even in the humblest of homes. Most Indians like their tea hot with a good deal of milk and sugar in it. In the rainy season, it is brewed with ginger to give it additional medicinal properties. Others add spices like cardamom, cloves, or mace to add to its taste and flavor. Tea is a must after a plate of spicy snacks, especially in the morning and evenings. Some connoisseurs relish delicately flavored jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea, and even iced tea. How about you? Thank you.